Good afternoon. Today I am presenting my presentation on COVID and its impact on Indian economy. So, what is COVID? COVID is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered strains of coronavirus in China. It mainly affects the lungs. As we all know that the beginning of COVID in India started in the month of March. Impacts of COVID in Indian economy. There are two impacts and effects of COVID on Indian economy, but the main impact of it is the great downfall of GDP and sharp rise in unemployment, and others are like stress on supply chain, decrease in government income, collapse of tourism, and fall in trade with China and others. So let's discuss the largest downfall of GDP. As we see the graph on the first quarter of the financial year, the GDP has been down by minus 23.9. So so the reason behind the downfall of GDP is due to lockdown, consumption of goods and service goes down. People stop investing their money. Government expenditure is done, but not in large amount. During lockdown, import and export were closed. So the result of these points is that GDP comes down. Next, sharp rise in unemployment. Due to COVID-19, India's unemployment rate is increased rapidly because to stop the outbreak of COVID-19, government imposed the lockdown in entire country. By this, small and big industries are closed. So according to CMIE, the unemployment rate is increased to 8.74 to 23.52 in April, and in May it increased to 27.11%, as you saw in the graph. Reduce consumer activity. Due to corona pandemic and nationwide lockdown, because of this, now people are living differently and think differently, and they shift their consumer behavior and preferences due to economic impact. They restricted their consumption because of many consumers are live in reduced income or no income, and due to social distancing, they shifted their mind in e-commerce and digital market. And my reviews on this, according to me, now for 1 year, government and people both should focus on recovery of GDP rates, as 80% of our GDP depends on consumption and investment. So we should try to improve this. Government should open more economic exchanges and information regarding employment opportunities should be given to people. To increase employment, it is essential to increase production in agriculture and industrial sectors. Development of small and cottage industries should be encouraged. According to me, in 5-year plans, more importance should be given to employment. There are some schemes launched by government. Prime Minister launched 15,000 crore fund for the healthcare sector. The Finance Minister launched a 1,70,000 crore fund for Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri government announced the 20 lakh crore package. Government also announced the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. So thank you.